In this guide, we will explore the 2020 Kia Optima Hybrid fuse box diagram and location. How can users easily locate the fuse box in the Kia Optima Hybrid? And what does the diagram reveal about the specific fuses and their functions? How does the user guide help in troubleshooting electrical issues using this diagram? Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2020 Kia Optima Hybrid houses essential fuses that control various electrical systems such as lighting, power windows, and mirrors. It features an organized layout with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. The panel also includes a fuse puller tool for convenient fuse replacement. Engine compartment fuse panel for hybrid. The engine compartment fuse panel for hybrid vehicles provides power to essential systems like the engine control, electrical components, and hybrid system. It ensures reliable protection from electrical overloads and short circuits. The panel is typically located near the battery or within the engine bay for easy access and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse panel for plug-in hybrid. The engine compartment fuse panel for the 2020 Kia Optima plug-in hybrid features high-capacity fuses for key systems such as the plug-in hybrid powertrain, battery management, and charging system. It is designed for easy access with labeled fuses for quick identification and replacement. The panel is housed in a durable, weatherproof casing to protect critical components from environmental elements.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.